We are in Delta here. Delta got hit by a very strong storm, possible strong tornado. Lots of damage here, multiple trees down, lots of homes having structural damage. A lot of support here as well, including those giving out food, helping out those in need, electricians working on restoring power. As you can see, the cleanup process is going to take quite some time. So we're just going to walk around the streets here, kind of show you what this area looks like. Church with some damage over there. As you can see, taking the limbs right off of that tree there. This house lost a roof. They have been gathering debris up in piles. And as you can see, lots of utility workers here helping out as well. Now this coming up, we're on a side street. This is the main street coming up. That way is towards Cape Girardeau, but we're gonna go head back into the Delta area here. Just kind of walk down Highway 25. Lots of people already got tarps on. Definitely working hard to get this back up and running. This area sustained a lot of power outages. That would kind of show you I won't be able to show you all of the damage here. That building definitely got hit. Roof damage up there. Car wash, debris scattered everywhere there as well. More damage over here. Pretty much on every street there is some type of structural damage. Damage to buildings, homes, utility poles, of course. Convoy of utility trucks helping out. More Ameren trucks over here. Kind of waiting on traffic as we speak. I will show you over here a little bit. Other side of the roof being taken off there. More damage in this neighborhood. Lots of people helping and supporting this rebuilding process, or at least getting things cleaned back up, that's for right now. More damage down here. We're kind of in the heart of Delta right now. Trying to get out of traffic here. So again, I won't be able to show you everything, but this is about half the damage I've seen so far, but lots more. Here's down the street, lots of debris already piled up. Some homes here, buildings. This just gives you an idea.